Universal reppin'. See, I've been thinking this the place to be. I've been thinking this the place to be. This the place to be. Well, I've been thinking this the place to be. I've been thinking this the place to be. Yeah, this the place to be. I've been thinking this the place to be. I've been thinking this the place to be. This the place to be. I've been thinking this the place to be. I've been thinking this the place to be.
Mentally, I've been picturing where we were in beginning, and I got soul intuition that it was love. Representing no reason for every angle of healing. For our example of feeling we ain't enough. It's way past definition. We bring it all to fruition when we replace what we fearing for what we trust. It all goes in a cycle. There ain't no need for a title when everything that's inside you is what's above.
All these things that go through my head can find me in my dreams when I sleep in my bed. It's easy as it seems, and I mean what I said. There's grace everywhere I go, and if you didn't know, we could fall in love with everything we see. But really, if it's up to me, I'm thinking it's the place to be. It's the place to be. I've been thinking there's a place to be. I've been thinking there's a place to be. Well, I've been thinking there's a place to be. I've been thinking there's a place to be. See, Mrs. Lady, I don't know. Find a way into my heart and into my soul. I got a feeling you gon' know just where you should go. 'Cause everyone is made of love.